Hi, this is Andy Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to safely jack up a car and put it on jet stand. The car I'm working on is a Chevy Equinox. GMC Terrain will be exactly the same because they are basically the same car. If you have other car, the procedure will be a little bit different, but the basic idea will be the same. The tool you need would be a hydraulic jack and a pair of jet stand. Don't laugh, I use a small trolley jack. I don't even have a floor jack. I use it for more than 10 years now. It works, it's okay. So I hate to get rid of it. I do not like metal to metal contact, and that's why I use a piece of 2x4. I will show you how I use it later on. I also have jet stand adapter. They are plastic and the car can sit onto it, so no metal to metal contact again. They are really neat, and if you realize that they are great, I will give you a link in the description for you to buy from Amazon if you'd like to do it that way. So let's go to the car and get started. You need to identify the location for jack and jet stand. For jet stand, I typically like to put it under the official jack point, and they are usually just by the wheel and with marking. As you see in the picture, I circle it as a small arrow. Different car, the marking will be slightly different, but they are more or less the same. Check your owner's manual if needed. For jack, you need to find alternative strong support point of the car. Now, for this car, it's really easy. Even though it's a unibody, it has two unit grade. Right now, I mark it with red color. It's running from front to rear and on both sides. So you can use it to jack up your car on both sides and front and rear. Find a flat location. Put a piece of 2x4 between your hydraulic jack and the car, and we can jack up the car this way. Now put the jet stand under the official jack point with the jet stand adapter. Now lower the car slowly by the operating procedure of the hydraulic jack and make sure the car sits on the jet stand firmly, and you are good to go for one corner. Jack up the other corner will be the same procedure. After that, make sure you push on the car, rock on the car, and make sure that it is stable. Otherwise, it may not be safe. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something useful from me today. Thank you very much for watching. If you could, please like this video, and even better, subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.